Quick fixes for hormonal imbalances. Maybe you are in your 30s or 40s or possibly even 50s and you're still getting pimples at that time of the month. Or maybe you've got these, weird rashes on your skin, these red itchy patches that crop up and you just can't get rid of them. Or maybe you have these brown marks that you get and you think it might be aging. You get these brown patchy hormonal things on your skin and you look at yourself in your mirror and you think, where the hell did that come from? What is that? Like, have you ever had this happen? Quite often these are hormonal imbalances. And I used to have this. I used to have a red patch around my nose here. And to the point where it would grow, like it would just keep getting bigger and bigger. And I remember at my sister's wedding, it was like massive. My oldest child would have been 6 months old. And I was thinking, how the hell am I going to get this thing off my face before my sister's wedding? I'm going to be a bridesmaid in this wedding, right? And this thing just kept getting bigger and bigger. And I had been to the doctor. And, the doctor wants to give you steroid creams. Or I even had one doctor prescribe me vitamin E cream. Yes, that's right. Vitamin E cream. I'm like, seriously, I have tried that. And, I had tried numerous different creams for this rash that was growing out my face. I had antifungal and antihistamine and steroid creams. I had tried something like, 6 or 7 quick fixes over about an 8-year period, which is nuts, right? And nothing worked. Absolutely nothing worked. And you think that, what am I doing wrong? Why can't I get rid of this? It's ridiculous. This thing is growing out my face and I can't get rid of it. And what I have found that actually worked for me was fixing the root cause to the problem. And that is actually the quick fix, is actually fixing the root cause. And when I fixed the root cause, my red patch just disappeared, and I found this with my clinical nutritionist, who's also a very good friend of mine. When I was at my worst, I was, in pain, and I had this hormonal / thyroid / autoimmune issue going on. And my doctor was trying to help me as best she could. And my, clinical nutritionist was giving me all these ideas on what I can do. And there were things that she was telling me that I didn't like. And she turned to me, probably very frustrated, because, I wasn't taking on board what she was telling me. She was literally saying, well, do you want to get well? And I'm like, oh, do you want to get well? Do you actually want health? You should be doing these things. If you want to fix the root cause to these problems, then you need to fix this. This is what you need to do. And when I actually started listening and using methods to enhance my natural healing power, then things started to change. So if you've been having a problem with hormonal imbalances, or, and you've tried hundreds of things, you've been to the pharmacist, you've been to the doctor, and you've tried things over, several years and nothing has worked, then maybe it's time to fix the root cause. So, please, I've had a couple of people message me and reach out with their questions. So if you have any questions, then feel free to ask me anything. And if your topic is interesting and something I have knowledge on, then I'm more than likely I'll do a video on it just for you. Okay, have a good day, and I'll see you at this time tomorrow. So yes, at this time every day I plan on doing a live. I'm always up for a challenge. So I've given myself a challenge to help people this year, help women take control of their own health. and enhance their natural healing power, and that's what I plan to do. And to do that, I plan on doing a live and sharing what I have learnt, through the last 2 years. Okay, have a good day. Talk to you soon, and I'll see you this time tomorrow. Bye.